So when you read Spanish, you sound the word out just like when you were learning to read in English. So you split it into syllables. For instance, we have quien. So we're gonna spread it out to quien. Quien. Okay. We have this long word. We're going to spread it. Usually the syllables, it's not the biggest deal in the world, but the syllable will try to end in a vowel. So we'll go e, ki, bo, ka, do. That's like you were wrong, equivocated. So then we have this next one. We're going to separate it. Sa, na, o, ria. Zanahoria. That's a carrot. Then the next one, peluqueria, peluqueria, and that's like a hair cutting place. The last one, cuarentena, cuarentena. So that's quarantine.